Now today's video is quite a serious one. It's about IT providers who make their customers feel intimidated and trapped. But before I start, don't forget to like this video, and if you've got any comments, please use the comment box below. Before I get started on the video, I just wanted to say that the vast majority of IT providers that I know are absolutely fantastic. They care for the customers and they do a great job. But as with any industry, there are the occasional bad apples. The two stories that I'm going to share with you today are two that I've experienced myself in the last 12 months. Now, if I've experienced it myself twice, there might be a business owner watching this video who is going through exactly the same thing. And these videos are designed to help business owners. The first story that I'm going to share with you is from a business owner I spoke to about 8 months ago. He was getting horrendous IT service from his IT provider. He'd used the IT provider for a long time, but the service levels were starting to really impact his business. The big problem was the business owner felt really intimidated by the IT provider, who was often quite aggressive. The IT provider had insinuated that if the business moved its IT systems to another provider, then they'd lose the website and the email system. This obviously really concerned the business owner, and as a result, he ended up staying with the IT provider and feeling quite trapped. The second example I'm going to share with you is similar to the first one. I recently spoke to a business owner who had used the same IT consultant for many years. This IT consultant looked after absolutely everything to do with technology for this business. That's the network, the email system, the website, the telephone system, everything that this business needed to operate. The problem was all the information about these systems, the passwords, the processes, were all stored in the IT consultant's head. And unfortunately, that's where they were going to stay because he refused to share them with anyone. In both these examples, the IT providers used lots of technical jargon to try and confuse the business owners. So the business owners end up feeling confused, trapped and intimidated. Now obviously if we look at these two businesses, they both carry a huge risk. IT and technology are such a fundamental part of any business these days. If all the information about your IT system is inside someone's head, then that represents a huge risk to your firm. Now there's one thing I want to make clear to any business owner watching this video who might be experiencing the same problem. Your business IT system and your data belong to you and your business. You should be able to freely move IT providers without feeling intimidated and without at risk of losing any part of your technology. Now perhaps you use a cloud system like Microsoft 365 for your business. Well, in this case, Microsoft are very clear. It's Microsoft's responsibility to host the data for you, and you can choose a provider to help you implement and support that within your business. Neither Microsoft or the provider own your data. Now this video hasn't been designed to give you that simple formula that you can implement to make this problem go away. Every case really is different. But if you are one of those businesses who feel trapped in a relationship with your IT provider, or you feel intimidated by them, the only thing that you can do as a business is to reach out to a professional IT provider. They will be able to help you navigate these problems. Now this video has been slightly different to what I usually do because I think it's a really important topic. If you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to my channel? I publish videos every Tuesday and every Friday.